Monster AR supported the 16th Optic Entrepreneurs Association of Indonesia exhibition through PT Katamata, a lens and soft lens company that is also the association's member. The show also commemorated the 60th anniversary of Gapopin, held at the Mulia Hotel Senayan, 29 to 31 October 2019. As the brand activation of PT Katamata, we set up a mega booth with tropical nature theme and provided lucky jackpot slot machine. The winners will win a grand prize of holidaying to Bangkok for free.